show you a home workout using just 6 exercises. For this workout, you're going to need just an ab wheel, or if you haven't watched the ab wheel video, you can use the Swiss ball or even just use your body weight. And ideally then a pull-up bar. Again, also watch things like the pull-up progressions if you're not there yet, or the push-up progressions, as push-ups are going to be included as well. Okay, in the description I'll put the full workout and how many reps and sets. And for now I'm going to go through just the 6 exercises and some alternatives. Okay, so exercise number 1 is the pull-up. Okay, for those of you that can do full pull-ups or even full chin-ups, you know, only do about 60 to 70% of what your total rep max will be. So if you can do 10, only do 6 or 7 per round. Okay? If you watch the pull-up progression video, if you aren't there at full pull-ups or full chin-ups, you know, have a look at just doing the eccentrics or a timed flex arm hold. Okay, exercise number 2, the ab wheel. Like I said already, we've already done a video on the ab wheel. Have a look. You know, if you don't have an ab wheel, there is options there for using a Swiss ball or just using body weight. Okay, I'll show you the body weight option. Is push-up position, keeping the tension, walk the hands out as far as I can go, keeping the body as one unit, walk the hands back. Okay, that's 1 rep. Okay, exercise number 3. We're going on to squats. So if you have kettlebells, dumbbells, a bag of potatoes, a baby, whatever you have, you know, next one is just the squats. Okay, check out the video on goblet squat and also the resistance band workout where I show you how you can use resistance bands for squats. Exercise number 4, leg raises. Okay, anytime you're doing core work where you're lying on your back, always make sure that lower back is pushed to the floor. So we have a natural hollow here under the lumbar, and what we're doing is we're taking away that space. Again, there's a video on core stability or core activation. So leg raises, the way we're going to do it is keeping the lower back down. It's 1, 2. Now, when I drop, 3, 4. The legs only go as low so that my lower back doesn't lift. If you go too far, so for some of you, your legs might only go to here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 rep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, exercise number 5 is push-ups. Okay, again, there's a video there, there's a series of videos there on push-up progressions. So wherever you're at with your push-ups, again, if it's just eccentric push-ups or with the isometric hold or full push-ups or a combination of both. So remember we talked about, you know, in bodyweight, ideally you like to do 8 reps. So if you can't do 8 full push-ups, regress back. So say if you get 4 push-ups, regress back to with the hold. You might only get 2 of them and then regress back again to the eccentric lower. You might get 2 of them. If you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, have a look at the push-up series. And the last exercise is hanging leg extensions. So off your pull-up bar, you're going to go knees up, extend out, and control the lower. Okay? Knees up, extend out, control the lower. Okay? A regression for that one is just doing the knee raise. If you're doing the knee raise, hook the ankles and bring them behind. And it's up, pause, and extend back. So you can see I'm extending back. I do have a bit of a curve in the lumbar, but I'm stretching the abdominal wall. Okay, as I said, have a look at the description for the full workout and let us know how you get on.